I'd like to take a minute today to talk about jump starting your vehicle. With all the cold weather to come this winter, sometimes it's something that needs to be done. So the reason for it is a lot of the manufacturers are now installing fuse blocks right on top of the battery cable, and makes it difficult to access the proper jumping spot, as we all learned the battery terminal growing up. Right now, this one has that jump pack, and I don't know if we can get a tight shot of it here. That fuse that sits there it's about $120 part, and your car ain't going anywhere without it. So the best thing is to just ignore that. Don't try to access it, and look for the jump post. Look for the jump post designated by the manufacturer. It's going to always be the safest place to do it. So this one here is designated, the positive one is designated by a red cap here. You pull that off, identify the negative one, which is here, and then you just take your jump pack. You always want to have your key in the off position when you're hooking up. It causes less draw and less chance of a significant spark. And you always want to hook your red up to red first and your black up to black second. The car's ready to be jump started. Safe, nobody will get hurt, won't cost you an expensive fuse panel. That's all I have for you today. Thank you.